When you are in the Calendar Options menu, you will see the option to import calendars. This allows you to automatically transfer over your saved dates, birthdays, and additional appointments from an existing calendar into your Motif calendar. Tap Done and you will be returned to the Calendar Options menu. Your imported calendar dates will now automatically display on your calendar. You can do this when creating your calendar project for the first time or add it to a previously existing Motif calendar project. In an existing Motif calendar project, tap the Options icon in the lower right. Select Change Calendar Options, and at the bottom of the new window you will see the Import Calendars feature. In the Import Calendars menu, select from the detected calendars which you would like to include in your calendar and tap Done in the upper left-hand corner. Upon returning to the Calendar Options window, tap Done to go into the project view.